lot of bad knowledge shit I can't say. It's probably why I got put these problems in my damn
Boss
way.
mode everything. Whoa, whoa, yes. Boss mode everything. Ay, I swear to God, look at me. Boss mode everything. Yeah, yeah. Boss mode everything.
Yeah, I'm from the south side, Chicago where they known the pop lit.
Right, so I just shot a video for the Boss Mode vlog, and I was thinking to myself, as I was saying all of it, to share with people what the expansion is, and all these things that, you know, the ideas that I have in the vision to grow into a $1 billion empire. I realized, you know, something I want to remind you about, and that is, holy crap, think about how much stuff that you're doing right now. Think about all the things that you're doing every day to hustle. Nobody ever sees the things that are going on in the background.
No.
As I was saying it, I was like, man, there's a lot of things that I'm doing, and I know there's a lot of things that you're doing. That includes you going to work and you doing all this other stuff here, and then, you know, whatever you're doing, every single thing, networking, your Instagram, you're running your social, it takes so much work, and nobody sees any of that. So this video is just a reminder to you to understand that, you know, people don't see that, but what they do see is the outcome, the end product, the end result of all of that. And you know you're putting that work in, right? So don't care what other people are saying, what other people are thinking, because you'll get to the point one day where everything will be shown. All that work that was put in will be shown. There's no such thing as an overnight success. You guys have all heard it like a million times, and it's so true. To build something, it truly takes time, takes mental investment, physical investment, relationship, sacrifice, the amount of sacrifices. Let's remember what the word sacrifice means. It means giving up something of value to you now, giving up something to yourself small now in order to receive something larger later, right? So you give up your time and your energy now, and that is what gives you the reward of having everything else that you will want in life later. It's really that simple. So nobody's gonna see what's going on in the background. They never will. Only you will, unless you start showing them. That's why I made the Boss Mode Everything show, because I want people to see there's a lot that goes into this. Things that are out of your control, things that, you know, other people mess up, other people do this, other people, you know, it's like, you know, you do the best that you can, but you gotta do this. All this goes into it. Managing the team, delegating, growing this, doing this. Okay, there's all these different factors. The sales factors, I mean, there's a list of at least, I would literally be like, off the top of my head, be able to name 50 different things that are involved in this process for you to be able to, you know what I'm saying, to grow a business, grow a music career, everything, right? And that's all in the background.
I built this.
That's why I made the show. I'm like, I want people to see this because you can watch it and learn, and, you know, you can overcome your issues with business and stuff like that and with your music career from that. So I wasn't plugging it, I was just saying like the purpose in it. Nobody's gonna see what's happening in the background. Only you know what's going on in the background. And they're not ever gonna see that. They're only gonna see the end. They're only gonna see when that song pops. They're also not gonna see the 2 years before that where you were watching Smart Rapper videos and learning the marketing before you even were making the song in order to apply the marketing on the next level. You know what I'm saying? So it's like a 4-year process. So just remember those results add up. Even if you're not seeing them now, they come, and you'll get them. It's how it works, it's the process. Just want to share that with you while I was thinking about it in this middle of my emotional thoughts. So either way, keep hustling, gang, and I'll see you at the top, getting closer every day. Just gotta remember that, all right?
Boss mode everything. Whoa.